In Schoology, courses are the online space where you interact with your students, the space where all course materials are housed and viewed. Your course contains tools you can use to engage students and facilitate interaction. At the most basic level, our students and parents will access their lessons in your course. Depending on your inclination and what your site leader communicates to you, some other cool stuff may start to happen inside your course. Teachers may post announcements and updates in their course. Teachers and students can submit messages to each other without the need for email addresses. Note that students can only message their teachers, not other students. Students may participate in online discussions. They may submit assignments electronically. They may post questions to be answered by teachers or classmates. Teachers may create quizzes and tests for students to take online in school or at home. And teachers might use the Schoology gradebook to post grades, which students and parents can view. Everything that happens in your course is specific to course members only, your students, along with any teachers or admin enrolled in the course. When you log into our course, the landing page is the materials page, where the course content is located. The organization of the course makes it clear that this is a 4-week course, 4 folders, 1 for each week. The images on the folders are optional, but may be really helpful to students. You can click these little arrows here to expand the folder content. This gives you an overview of the entire course. The icons identify the type of course material, a page, an assignment, an online discussion, a quiz, another folder. Let's click on week 1. You can see the list of tasks for that week. When you are in a folder, you can use the next button to navigate directly to the next task. Notice that when you hover, you get a little preview of what's going to be on that next page. And then you also have a previous button. So within a folder, the next and previous buttons can be very helpful. You also have these breadcrumbs, which are hyperlinked, that let you go back to any location in the course. So if I want to go all the way back to the landing page, the materials page, I can click on the breadcrumb to get back there. The left navigation area links change when you are inside a course compared to when you are on your home page. Regardless of where you are in the course, these links remain constant. We can click on the updates page to open a page where you can post updates for your students. Your students can also post questions here. We'll really delve into updates in week 4. Notice the other links in this area. We'll learn about these other links a little bit more later on as well. I can click on the materials link here to go back to the landing page, or I can click on this little arrow to go directly into one of the folders. In this area, you can add or edit a course image. Notice that just by hovering on the image, I have the option to edit the picture. If I click on course options, I get a little drop-down menu with a lot of other options for the course. And we'll learn more about those options later in the course as well. Another great navigation tool is the upcoming area. So this is only available when you're on the materials page or the updates page. But you'll see a list of upcoming events, assignments, quizzes listed by due date. In this area, the calendar icon will open a course calendar which displays events and assignments only for this course, in contrast to the calendar on your homepage, which opens a composite calendar showing content from all your courses combined. You can also add events to your course calendar from this area. When you are inside a course, the upcoming area displays only content for that course. When you're on your home page, the upcoming area displays all Schoology content for all courses and groups in which you are enrolled.